Hello and welcome again to your Tough Review channel. In this short video, we look at 3 significant iPhone 15 Pro Max updates you need to know before making your upgrade. Amidst the tremendous buzz surrounding the iPhone 15 series, it's time we delve into its Pro Max model alongside iPhone 14 Pro Max. True to iPhone's tradition, the transition from the 14 Pro Max to its 15 descendant showcases minimal alterations, but with undeniable impact. Good, and well, not so good. First, we look at the new weight of the phone, influenced by titanium metal frame in place of stainless steel, and a departure from the steel in 14 Pro Max to aluminium internal chassis. Titanium is quoted as the best metal in the planet at present for its lightness and strength, and Apple boasts about titanium used for spacecraft as pointer to its durability. The use of both metals shed 20 grams off the 15 Pro Max weight and gives it a unique new hold feel. But on the downside, the rear glass easily cracks in drop tests. This is uncharacteristic of Apple products, which leads the durability contest. And the transition from steel chassis to aluminium could be responsible. But don't despair too much. The front glass remains intact even when dropped from higher heights. A second major update is the platform. While the 14 Pro Max is upgradable to iOS 17, other factors like memory size and chipset version give the 15 model a significant edge. Apple clearly optimized Pro Max 15 with task and gaming efficiency in mind. The third update we'll examine is its camera. On the surface, it looks the same with Pro Max 14. But a deeper look reveals Apple upgraded the 15 Pro Max with more advanced zoom and stabilization technology. In plain language, designed for better cinematic video and image experience. Remember, the iPhone 14 Pro Max is well known for its picture clarity. But with iPhone 15 Pro Max, you can literally shoot a top-class movie with your phone. That is, if you know what you're doing. And that for me is a major highlight. If it can achieve movie-level pictures, imagine how much more you get from everyday photography. So, if you are the cautious type who seldom drop phones, iPhone 15 Pro Max should be on top of your list. But if you are like me, better stick to iPhone 14. Overall, it remains without doubt another iPhone masterpiece. See our review of iPhone 14 Pro Max via the link in description. Until our next tough review, peace to you. Thanks for watching.